All right, what's on the bench today? I need to sharpen my knife. Now, I was listening to another YouTuber, and they gave some great advice. So if you like to go do outdoorsy type stuff and you get lost in the woods, all right, he says that the easiest way to get found is to find a rock or a log and sit down, and then take out your knife, all right, and then start sharpening it. And after a few minutes, there will be a whole bunch of people around you telling you that you don't know what you're doing and that you need to sharpen the knife a different way. So it's an easy way to get found. And I found that on the YouTube channels, it's hard to get good comments, but you can get bad comments. So it's easier to get more traction negatively than you can get positively. So if you say things like BNC instead of banana, or measure instead of measure, or solder instead of solder, different ways, you'll get comments. Otherwise, you won't. Anyway, I need to sharpen my knife. So the first thing I should probably do is try to get some of the gunk off here. I do use it for opening packages and stuff. They go, oh, I shouldn't do that. You should use a utility knife for that. Anyway, I use this for everything. All right. It's an old Spyderco, a Persistence or something like that. I forget it. I don't think they make it anymore. I do like this thing though. Everybody will say they don't, but I do like it. It has some diamond things, and it has some ceramic things, and it has, anyway, I do like it. Let's see here. It's got some angly things, set different angles, all right? But we will see if we can't sharpen it. I think this is just, what grit is this? I don't remember. This is, I don't know. I don't remember. Might be 400, might be 800, I forget. Yeah, we're looking good. So you can use your finger. You can use you can set it on your this is the one that I like. I set it on the back of my fingernail, and if it catches, then it's going pretty good, right? This one has some cool little features to it. It's got a little rotating ceramic thing. It's got one that's kind of got some serrations on it. This one here, so this is kind of a coarser one. And so use it a little bit coarser. You can feel, oh, I hear that. It's kind of a grindy bit at the bottom there. And you catch some stuff every once in a while. It's working good. Go here to the solid one here. It's got a little fine one for doing like serration works and stuff like that. I don't know, I kind of go by feel. You can kind of feel the burr come and go. You can listen to it if it's really, really smooth, or if it's got a little bit of crunchiness to it. And that's working really, really good. And then on the back side here, it's got a piece of leather, so it's got a strap. Ooh, yes indeed, that's now sharp. So there you go.